Sanibonani Maswati Lamahle, welcome Etiko. I am your host, Ayanda Hlope, from the Ministry of Agriculture under the Home Economic section. Angihambi ke ngedwa namuhla, naye bongekile Magongo, our co-host. Njengoba sathi nje sesivele sicalile i-winter season yethu, so namuhla sitanendela hearty delicious dishes leningawa prepare phela nani ekhaya. Siyathi ukuthi ngekhathi sabo winter fanele udle kudla lokufuthumele futhi lokutoba mnanzi ngoba phela esikhathini esiningi usheshe ujake uye ekhaya utiphekele kudla kwakho. So avoid eating fast foods together with the junk. Utiphekele wena lokutawuba womlodok enjoy. So namuhla ngiyabona ukuthi sidisplay le kuhle kakhulu ngibone ama vegetables entumbi namuhla sipheka ini.
Alright, ngiyabonga kakhulu Ayanda. Namhla sizobenza beef stroganoff. Let's serve it together with mashed potato and mixed vegetables.
Okay, that's so tasty. Nalelo gama ke bawungene niyaliva. Asisitshele kabani ukuthi what do we have in front of you?
I've got our beef. We are using beef fillet, which is 750 grams. I also have mushrooms. These are the button mushrooms, 200 grams. I've got 2 large onions, which have been sliced. I've got a cup of sour cream. I've got margarine, which I will use for frying. I've got our peppers, the red, yellow, and green, just for garnishing. And we have salt, and lastly, white pepper.
Namuhla ngiyabona ukuthi we don't have a lot of spices, but nje konke lokubekela lana ngiyathemba ukuthi it will make our beef stroganoff very tasty. So ngicabanga ukuthi bonke asingamoshi isikhathi uvela uqale ukupheka.
So seliyashisa pan lami, I'll add my margarine.
Okay.
Followed by the onion. I'll add my pepper. So I'll allow my meat to brown so that all the flavor and juices can be seeped in.
Okay.
Now that the juices are coming out,
I can see them there.
so we'll add our salt.
Okay, here's your salt.
Thank you. This is about a teaspoon of salt.
Hayi ngiyadibonela ukuthi impela kuyamakhona Etiko kuyaphekeka laphaya. And some will wonder ukuthi they don't see tomato sauce or tomato paste or fresh tomatoes. Wona swathina swafaki.
Alright, it depends on your recipe. This recipe doesn't call for tomatoes or tomato paste, tomato sauce. So we should just leave it to sort of simmer a bit before we add our mushrooms, our sour cream, and lastly the peppers.
Okay, I guess we'll have to wait for that. But while sisemile, sitawuchubeka ngalokunye lesitobe sikupheka namuhla. Ushido bonke ukuthi sinema mashed potatoes together with our mixed vegetables. So there's a salad. So ngicabanga ukuthi asichubekele kulolu. Nyalo ke Etiko sesitawenda our mashed potatoes. Njengoba nibona sinema mashed potatoes lawa sesivele siwameshile sicale sawabilisa sabese ke sesiyawamesha. So kukuwe ke ukuthi uwamesha kanjani ekhaya kepha nje ungavele uwameshe kaso. Futhi nangabe ke potatoes akho ayashisa so ungavele uhlanganise konke kanye ebhodweni lakho. Kepha nyalo sidowenda ngendlela lehlukile ngalokuthi sifuna kunikhomba phela ukuthi ucale usebenzise mashed potatoes akho. And this serving will be able to serve for about 4 to 5 people. So do try it out at home. And nikhumbule phela ukuthi konke lesikuvetako lapha lesiyesipheke ngako kuyatholakala ko onke OK foods. So sengishito ukuthi sidaba mashed potato yethu. Sibe nelibisi lethu. This is about a cupful of our milk. Bese ke sesiba ne parsley yethu lena, it's about 2 tablespoons. sibe na half a teaspoon of our salt together with our black pepper. Sitawusebenzisa ke our fat, which is butter, so this is about 2 tablespoons of our butter. Nangabe ke unayo i-cooking oil, it's still up to you. You can use i-cooking oil, ungasebenzisi i-butter yethu. So let's stawuqala ke kwenda ukuthi sishisise stove sethu. Khona umlilo atoshisa. Kukahle kakhulu ukuthi phela sonke isikhathi libhodo lakho lishise kuze kuthi nangabe sothela emafutha akho atoba ngilakahle avela ancibilike kahle. Sitawuqala ke ngekuthi siwancibilikise emafutha ethu noma ke butter wethu ebhodweni lethu. Cha cishe liyangakhona sengakashisi kahle. Nekuthi phela our potatoes here, they serve as a starch. So kumcoka ukuthi na upheka kudla kwakho kube yi-balanced meal. Ibe khona i-vegetable together with your proteins and your carbohydrates too. And you can also add fruits and vegetables because logo kwakha i-balanced diet. Nyalo, ibhodo lami liyashisa, angithi nje kunciphisa kancane kungatokusha. Sengithela ke emafutha ami noma ke butter wami epaneni lami. Niyabona ukuthi sekuvele nje kuyashisa, uyancibilika. Lokumcoka ukuthi kufanele ancibilike kahle kuze kuthi phela sitawukhona kungetalibisi lethu kanye nabotswayi bethu nabophepha bethu. Nangabe ke tswayi wakho udecide ukuthi umngede na usabilisa emazambane akho naloko kukahle. Kepha ke nangabe awukamngedi khona songameda kule liquid mixture lesiyendako lapha. Ngoba kumcoka ukuthi tswayi wakho aphekeke kuze kuthi phela utokhona kumudla akahle. Asik-encourage ukuthi ke usebenzise i-table salt ekudleni kwakho. Akusiko kahle ngoba lo tswayi wakho usuke angakangeni ekushiseni bese ke akasapheke kahle. Njengoba nibona emafutha ami sekavele ancibilikile. Ngidawungeta libisi lami, that's more liquid, and just continue to stir. Make sure phela ukuthi kuyahlangana futhi kuyafutfumala. Ngihlanganise bese ke sengeta tswayi wami kanye na black pepper wami. Lokhu kutawusita phela ekutheni kuvele nje kuhlangane kahle nekuthi kube ne-flavor. Kepha ke nangabe ungumuntu lo songasabadli phela botswayi songakomitha nako ngoba siyathi ukuthi phela ema-diets ayahlukahluka depending on the illness that you are suffering from. So you can omit the salt or even reduce it nangabe angasakulungeli. So sitawuchubeka nje sikuhlanganise and just stir it up for a few more minutes. Nasekulungile ke sidabe seke sesingeta ku our mashed sweet potatoes and continue to mash it kutawuhlangana kahle. I-parsley yethu ke sitayisebenzisa nasesiganisha, but if you like you can also add it towards your mash, uhlanganise, then leave some for your garnish. So kuyahlangana impela our liquid together with our peppers and salt. And when you're checking the color here, niyabona ukuthi umbala sothi kuchinja ngalo ukuthi phela sesingete libisi kanye nayo i-black pepper bese seyenda lo mbala uthi kuchinja kancane. So nyalo ngicabanga ukuthi sesingacima stove sethu bese ke sesiyachubeka. As you can see, just make sure ukuthi phela akubili kakhulu ngoba kutawube sekuya reduce lapha estofini sethu. Okay. Emazambane ami sekathe kuphola kancane ngakho ke this liquid which is hot will help just revive it a bit. Okay. So ungacala ukuhlanganise kuze kuthi phela i-liquid itokhota all your potatoes ngaloko siphela bese kapholile. Uthi nje ukuhlanganisa, and already the aroma from this I can smell a bit of milk together with our black pepper. Ngalo-ke sitawusebenzisa imesha yethu and just try to mash it kuze kuthi kutoba very, very soft. Especially nangabe-ke mashed potatoes akho bongakawameshi kahle. So cishe nguleyo indlela yekwenta mashed potatoes akho. Loku kusita kakhulu ngokuthi phela mashed potatoes akho aba very creamy together with just being fluffy. Now wadla nje kuvele kuthambe kamnanzi emlomeni. So do try it out at home.
OK stores have consistently aimed to be the retailer consumers can count on. Make OK Foods your store of choice for a one-stop convenience shopping experience at the best prices. We are committed to provide unwavering service, quality products, and fresh seasoned produce. OK Foods, we're here to make your day OK.
Ekupoleni Garden Villas is an elegantly modernized guest house situated in the heart of Eswatini in Manzini. The guest house provides luxurious and tranquil accommodation that will make you feel you were somewhere special from the moment you walk through the door. This impressive residence offers gracious accommodation, warm hospitality, and exceptional care. If you like swimming and relaxing, it is an ideal place to stay with a private outdoor pool and serene garden. For those that love to stay fit, there's a standardized 8-grade gym to keep you in shape. We also feature a full-size pool table for full entertainment. Our restaurant will provide you with good food and a good mood. Ekupoleni Garden Villas is the best alternative to ensure you and your family and friends will enjoy a cultural paradise. Ekupoleni Garden Villas. Come in as a guest, leave as family.
Now that our beef is ready, we will add our mushroom and we'll allow it to cook just for a few minutes. Then at the end, we'll add our sour cream together with our peppers, just to add color and garnish. So this is our beef stroganoff, which uses very, very little ingredients and quite simple to prepare. Now that our mushrooms are done, I will add the sour cream. If you do not have sour cream at home, you can always use fresh cream and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, we will reduce our heat and allow our stroganoff to simmer gently. Now add my peppers. And this is our beef stroganoff. Next, I shall prepare a mixed vegetable dish. For the mixed vegetable dish, we are going to use our vegetables. As you can see, we have our the patty pans, we have our onion, we have our baby marrow, we've got green beans and carrots. And then we also have a little bit of oil just for frying our vegetables. I will heat the oil, not too much, just a little bit. I'll add my onion, and I'll start by cooking the carrots because we know that carrots take a little bit longer to cook when compared to the other vegetables. I've added the onion just for the flavor because the onion's got this beautiful flavor that you won't find in the other vegetables. Add my carrots, which are a very good source of vitamin A. And it's always important to add a little bit of fat when cooking foods that are rich in vitamin A, so that the body can be able to absorb the vitamin A. As you can see, I haven't put any salt or any other seasoning. I always believe that vegetables don't really need a lot of salt. They've got this natural salt in them. I'll also add the green beans, which are a good source of nutrients such as potassium. Followed by the patty pans, which are also rich in minerals such as magnesium and niacin. And you know, these patty pans have got this beautiful, unique yellow color. So they really add much color to your food. Lastly, I'll add our baby marrow, which is a good source of potassium. I'll reduce the heat and cover the pot so that the steam can cook the vegetables.
Etiko sesiniphekele kudla lokumnanzi kakhulu. Nikhumbule phela ukuthi siphekela la ekupholeni Garden Villas. Njengoba nibona kuhle kakhulu. Bongi, just take us through.
All right, thank you, Ayanda. Sine beef stroganoff yethu, which is very simple to prepare and takes a very short time to cook. Ngoba sisebenzisa fillet, and the fillet inyama yethu lethambile. Even if we were using chicken, chicken breasts nawo asheshe avuthwe. Siphinde sibe nama-veg ethu nawo lasheshe avuthwe kanye ne-mashed potato. Na i-mashed potato yi-dish lesingacishe sithi ithatha isikhathi lesifisha ukuthi ivuthwe. And siyadiplanya lebantu sebahlale babhizi emisebentini babuya ekhaya bathiniwe. So bayayidinga into leta awusheshe ivuthwe. Kodwa ibe balanced. Asikukhuthazi ukuthi masewuduva ngathi ulambe kakhulu, sodwa upheka istarch sakho, upheke umshibo kumbe inyama. Bese ma-veg awafaki. Cha-ke babukeli, chubekani nipheke kahle udla kwenu loku-balanced, lokunemaseko onke ladingwa ngumtimba.
Hayi ke siyabonga bonge ngaloko, asithembe babukeli batawukhumbula loko njalo njalo. Make sure that you watch our program every Friday and a repeat on Tuesday. From us, it's goodbye.